You probably purchased a truck, in part, for the amount of space you get in the bed. Trucks are obviously more practical than cars for transporting large or bulky items. But one concern with an open truck bed is security. Suppose you don't have the time to move all your stuff out of the truck, and you need to leave it somewhere overnight. You don't want everything out in the open, right? For your peace of mind and the safety of your things, a truck bed cover is a great option. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best truck bed covers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zeedo TruckSport Roll-Up Cover. This rolling cover by Truzeedo is an Amazon bestseller. According to reviews, users love the easy installation process because it requires no drilling or cutting, and you can easily install the cover in under 20 minutes. The leather grain black material is durable and intended to hold up well to harsh weather. This cover is sleek, sitting only 1.5 inches above the bed, giving your truck a sporty look. You can easily roll the cover up and back, and it includes a sturdy, easy-to-use dual paddle latch for extra security. Some critical reviews mention that it doesn't fit flawlessly, specifically along the tailgate. Number 2. Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Cover. Backflip markets this cover as America's #1 selling hard folding cover, and they might just be right. It is made of durable aluminum panels, and a 4-panel fold, instead of the common tri-fold design. It has a dual-action tailgate seal, and comes with finished corner caps, secure rail end caps, and prop rod clips. The cover has an integrated buckle system and automatic latching mechanism that allows you to drive with the cover partially or fully opened. For full bed access, you can unlock the cover from either side and fold the cover all the way up against the cab. Number 3. MaxMate Roll-Up Cover. This roll-up truck bed by MaxMate is a customer favorite. It is dual-coated and furnished with a marine-grade vinyl top. The side rails and clamps are heavy-duty powder-coated aluminum with built-in crossbars for support. The installation process is simple, with no drilling, and the cover comes with instructions for an even easier process. The Velcro strips on the sides seal the bed, along with a latch lock system at the tailgate. The tension system can be adjusted on the sides and ends to keep the cover tight. Number 4. Lund Genesis Elite Roll-Up Cover. The Lund Genesis Elite cover is made of a premium twill weave material, which is why it is at a higher price point than other roll-up covers. This cover was engineered to be resistant to water, UV, dust, dirt, and mildew. It's easy to wash and no specific cleaners are needed, just rinse it down with water. The low-profile roll-up is tight to the bed and will give your truck a sleek look. It sits on sturdy aluminum rails, and the cover rolls up neatly against the cab. The installation process is quick and easy, with no drilling required, and can be done in about 20 minutes. This cover comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Number 5. Backflip G2 Tonneau Cover. The Backflip G2 is a hard-folding tonneau cover with solid panels and a tri-fold design. One of the main features that reviewers loved about this cover is that, since it comes with its own rails, it lays completely flush over your truck bed. The quality perimeter seal is durable, and you won't have to compromise on your truck's aesthetic with these flush-mounted panels. The panels are UV resistant and made out of aluminum, giving you extra security. The installation process is simple and user-friendly. With a clamp-on install instead of a drill installation, it's easy even for new truck owners. And once you release the cables, the cover folds open, allowing you full truck bed access. And to fully secure your bed, all you have to do is lock the tailgate cover. Although the panels are flush over the bed, multiple reviewers on Amazon and Back Industries have complained that they have had problems with water leaking through the cover. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.